Hi folks, today's theme is healing. So we're just going to learn a really simple pattern, and I invite you to really breathe into it, lean into it, and yeah, just take this time to enjoy the space and yeah, lean into self-healing or think about somebody that you love or whatever it is, and yeah, enjoy the pattern. It looks like this. So to begin with, we're playing this chord over here, which is notes 3 and 5 together. And then we've got this little repeating melody. So this repeating melody is note 6 and 5, and it's a little bit syncopated. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And that 6 is landing on the end of the 2 there. But all of the chords are landing on the 1. So we've got this chord here. And then we move the shape over here, so left hand on bottom, right hand on the top here. And then as we move, left hand comes above, right hand comes below. And then the melody is the same. Alright, that's the pattern we're looking for. And then we end on this chord here, note 1 and 3. And this happens twice, but the second time, well, it doesn't happen twice at all. Let me come back to the beginning there. So, first time round here. Second time. Third time. And then the fourth time. 1, 2, 3. Silence, just the melody. And that's the whole thing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. If you have got extensions, you can add some bottom notes here. It really fills out the sound. You can even move that melody. Or even more space. You go crazy with the melody. Just play what feels good. You could play this for hours. There you have it, healing. I invite you to spend some time with this pattern. If you'd like easy reference to come back to it at any point, you can find the notation booklet on Patreon. I have it organised in a few different ways so that you can have easy access. There's also a community of people on WhatsApp you can join. to keep in touch, share some ideas, share your progress, whatever, ask questions. Yeah, but enjoy that one. Really take your time with it. Keep it simple, keep it slow, and yeah, and breathe with it. I'll see you tomorrow.